Hey, welcome. Today we will speak about other function this you need to match in Excel. As example, you have here degree for student and you need the highest one. We told before we can go to formula and the maximum. He will give this for me because he not in the same row or on the same column. But we can select what you need and click here. He will give you the maximum is 55. Okay, by the same thing you can make lowest from here and take minimum. He will give me this one. No, I told him this and press enter. He give you the lowest. Okay, the median have function but not here in the auto. You can just make it by write the shape of structure of formula by put the sign equal and make median. He give you this. Click on here and select what you need to make median for it and press enter. He give you the median. Okay, now I have the highest one, but I need not the highest one. I need, at example, 30 largest. Okay, how I can make this? I make equal and write large. He will give me this and I select this and the type after this by put the sign, write what you need, the 2 degree or the 3 degree or 4 as you like. Okay, I put 3 and put enter. He will give me 36. But take care, you can make this one by another way. It is by go to home and make here is sorting. Okay, like this. Sorting, but I need to make sorting. Now I need to make function. Okay, the other thing we need to speak it std, and this is statistics, and you can get it from formula, from here more function, here statistics, and you can select it from standard. Just okay, you can write standard. He gave you standard, and if you select here, he will give you what it make. Okay, if I'm sorry, Control Z. If I go here and go here, anyone I select, he give me hint for it and what this mean and return for you. Okay, if you go S standard, I'm sorry, standard, you can hear the function standard. Okay, yeah, hey, I can select this one. Okay, from here he told you it calculate based on the other enter population given as argument, and you can total more. You go to F1, okay, or press here. Any function from this you can get from F1 to understand what it means. You will find example for it. For me, I will write this and write from here standard deviation here, and told him which what you need. Select the place for the cell. After this enter and told okay. He will give you the standard deviation. This is everything we speak about function. Thank you.